Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your AirPods are paired and active, then unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Once done, tap Notifications to access app-level controls. You want to find messages and phone or voicemail entries quickly. This is where incoming voice message alerts originate. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off so you see default settings. This first step narrows the problem. Are alerts coming from messages or phone? That determines the single precise switch you'll flip next. You now go into the specific app, messages or phone, and tap Notifications. Change sound to none and disable badges or banners if needed. This stops audio playback to your AirPods. Next, open Siri and search, choose Announce Notifications, and turn it off for that app to prevent spoken alerts. You should also check voice memos or third-party apps with notification permission. These changes stop iOS from sending audio to your AirPods, which is why voice messages no longer play automatically. You finish by testing. Wear your AirPods and have someone send a voice message. If silence is achieved, you're done. If you still hear it, disconnect and reconnect the AirPods and test again. This clears transient routing. Make sure focus modes aren't reapplying custom behavior. If problems persist, restart your iPhone or reset your AirPods. Press the case button until the light flashes. One key troubleshooting tip: check any third-party chat apps' in-app notification settings. They can bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.